Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will understand what is Oracle database, why it is widely used, and how it works behind the scene in very simple and beginner-friendly way. Oracle database is a software system used to store, manage, and retrieve data. It is developed by Oracle Corporation. It is one of the most powerful and widely used relational database management systems. The main key features of this Oracle database are scalability, high availability, security, and performance. It is known for its scalability from small system to a high enterprise deployments. It provides a high availability using a rack and data guard. Strong security features it has and also advanced performance tuning capabilities it have. And the main components of this Oracle database are Oracle instance and a database. Instance, it has a SGA and background processes. There is a memory and background processes that runs on a server. And the second one is a database, which is a physical storage. It consists of like a data files, control files, read log files. And these Oracle systems like Oracle database mainly used in like a banking systems, e-commerce platforms, government portals, telecoms, basically anywhere critical data needs to be stored securely and retrieved very quickly. So, to summarize, Oracle database is a powerful, secure and reliable system for managing large volume of our data. In upcoming videos, we will explore internal architecture, real-time use cases and DBA tasks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment if you want a specific topic covered. Thank you.